Hello guys, welcome again, and my name is Flynn, and today I'll be sharing with you my 5 favorite tips when it comes to Microsoft Word. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right into it. So tip number 1, turning on the dark mode in Microsoft Word. But let's just say we want to turn everything into the dark mode. How do we go about this? So what you do is you go to File, you go to Accounts, and then you come to the section where it says Office Theme. You click on the drop down menu. You can see there's colorful, there's dark gray, there's black. We want to go with a black theme. So once we click on the black theme, everything changes to the dark mode as we want it to be. And when you do this across all your Microsoft softwares, which is Excel, PowerPoint, everything also changes into the dark mode. So let's just go back to our page, and as you can see, everything has now changed to the dark mode for us. And this is easy when you are working in the night so that your eyes don't hurt too much. Tip number 2, convert PDF documents to Word. Yes, I know PDF documents are not editable, but let's just say we want to be able to edit our PDF document in Word. How do we go about this? So I have a new Word document opened in here, and I'm going to import my PDF into the Word document. So to import the PDF document, you go to File, you go to Open, and then we browse to where we have our PDF document. For demonstration purposes, I'll just use a proposal that I drafted. So once you open it, you see a dialog box appear that says Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. So you just click on OK. So once you click on it, now you can see that your Word document has actually opened for you, and you can also actually do any editing that you want to do in your PDF document. And when you are done, you can either save it as a Word document or a PDF. Taking us into tip number 3, and that is how to access your clipboard. So as you already know, your clipboard contains the last text that you copied. But let's just say we just don't want access to our last text. We want access to all the text that we've copied whilst working in our document or in any Word document file. Access to all the things that we've copied in our Word document. So if you want to get access to your copied text, all you need to do is come to Home. And as you can see in here, it says Clipboard. So you just click on this little icon in here, and you can see all the texts that you've copied. So if you want to just repeat any of these texts, you just come to the area, the section where you want to paste it, and then you just click on it, and then you paste it in there for you. So you can access all your text in your clipboard from your Microsoft Word document. When you are done, you can just close it, and then you can go back to it anytime that you want. Tip number 4, how to use formulas in Microsoft Word. Yes, Word can also use formulas just as we use in Excel. This is because every time we think about using formulas, Excel is what comes to mind. But Microsoft Word can also do formulas or do summations for us. So how do we go about this? I've already put in my summation here, so let me just delete them. So as you can see, let's just say we want to add all these numbers up in Microsoft Word without having to go to Excel first. So if you want to add these numbers up, you click in the table cell that you want to add your summation or the total. And then you come to the layout section, which is the last section in here, and then on the far right corner you see formulas in there. So let's just click on formula, and then you see a dialog box appear And in the first one, it says equals sum above. So what this means is you are summing up all the numbers above the table cell that we click in. So let's just say we want to sum up all the numbers. You just click on OK, and then you get the total figure in here. So yes, you can also do formulas in Microsoft Word. Another thing also is it's not just summation. When you go back to the formula, you can see paste formula. So you can also do end, average, count, defined, just as we are able to do in Microsoft Excel as well. So yeah, Microsoft Word also does formulas for you. Tip number 5, and that is how to sort your list in Microsoft Word. So I have in here I've put down the regions that we have in Ghana here. I hope I got all of them, maybe not. Okay, so we have all the regions in here, and let's just say we want to sort this list in alphabetical order, that is from A to Z. How do we go about this? So first you select all the lists that you want to rearrange or sort. Now you come to home, and then under paragraphs you come to the sort section, that is the A to Z. So once you click on the sort section, you see the first one says paragraph and it says text here. So the selection we've made contains text, and we want to do ascending, that is from A to Z. And once you are okay with it, just click on OK, and as you can see, it will sort all your list for you in alphabetical order. If it's not text that you have and it's numbers that you want to sort out to, you can just select all the numbers, go to sort, and then make sure the type is on numbers, which it is, and then under ascending you just click on OK, and it will sort all your numbers from the first number, from the lowest to the highest. If you have dates in there as well, you can also sort your dates. You go to here, make sure it's the selection type is on dates, and then you do ascending, and then you click on OK, and then it will sort from the earliest date to the latest date for you. So these are my 5 favorite tips that I normally use with my Microsoft Word. I hope you found these tips useful and you'll be using them in your Microsoft Word document as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like the video and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming tips and tricks on your everyday computer software use. Thank you very much. Stay strong and stay safe.